Metro Mechanical is a commercial heating, air conditioning, and plumbing service contractor established in 1997. We now serve the state of Alabama to include Montgomery, Huntsville, and Birmingham.
We partner with property management companies and commercial companies. We specialize in preventative maintenance services as well as doing retrofits as well as new installs.
Our plumbing capabilities are vast.
It's grown a lot in the past 6 months. We have more to offer the customer, simplifying their vendor list and bringing them more solutions through one point of contact.
We are on call 24/7 for any after-hours plumbing or HVAC repair. When you call, we're there and available for service. Our goal is 2-hour response time for every emergency service call.
When I make a call to Metro, I know they're going to show up. They're upfront, they deliver.
We will always be prompt. We'll give you a good price and do excellent work.
We're not just a vendor, we're a long-term partner. We strive to bring more than just the services. We help them budget, we help them plan for the future, and we try to spot problems before they become a bigger issue, saving them money in the long run.